Build your thriving online business today. A conversion-focused website, landing pages, lead generation quizzes, online courses, evergreen scarcity campaigns. With Thrive Suite, you can easily turn your WordPress website into a full-blown online business. Build your website. Thrive Suite allows you to build a fully customized WordPress website faster than you ever believed possible. Create landing pages and funnels. With Thrive Suite, you get access to Thrive Architect, which includes 290 plus landing page templates. Build an email list. Add any type of opt-in form to your website: ribbons, slide-ins, pop-ups, welcome mats, multiple choice, yes, no, in just a couple of clicks. Get curious with quizzes. Imagine you'd never have to worry about coming up with blog post content topics, having an email list that's perfectly segmented, and being able to get to know your future customer before sending them to the perfect offer. Create and sell online courses. With Thrive Suite, you get access to Thrive Apprentice. Thrive Apprentice allows you to create and sell an online course directly from your WordPress website. Increase conversions with scarcity campaigns. Get access to Thrive Ultimatum, which allows to create time-sensitive or evergreen scarcity campaigns on your WordPress website without the need of an expensive third-party tool. Who is it for? Coaches and consultants, online course creators and infopreneurs, bloggers and affiliate marketers, e-commerce businesses. Click the link below this video and get started now.